think of pumpkins?
Pumpkins. Dude, let me tell you about those orange little flakes.
Wood.
Those pumpkins. God, I hate them so much.
Oh man, give me
Terry.
Terry.
Oh my god. Oh, whoa. Oh my god.
I wonder where you have your attention, please.
Alright.
We are
I don't know what that was about. What?
Yeah, but what do you think of pumpkins?
Okay. What?
Yeah, what do you think of them? What do you think about them? Because I like pumpkins.
Yes, I understand.
Because, you know...
Interrupted me. Oh my god!
What's going
Man, that was crazy. Oh, God, they're fighting again. Okay. So yeah. I did Whoa! Okay. So this is some turbulence. As I was saying, I think maybe. Oh my god! Not again. Come here, Terry. Alright, sing your little lullaby. Hush.
Little baby, don't say a word. You're not gonna come at night. And just go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
I killed him. I put him to sleep. Jesus, turbulence. It's crazy. So, as I was saying, now that they're asleep, we want to. Whoa! Oh my god. Whoa! 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 Yeah. I know what you're doing.
Attention, I want to say
Oh my god! That flick on the What? Oh my god! That's beautiful noise!
Everyone! Wait, have your attention, please. 3 months ago, my wife divorced me. I don't like where this is going. On an airport. In front of everyone. Okay, and, like, what are you gonna do? It's not like you're gonna, like, you know, take out a bomb or anything. Ooh. Everyone, oh my god, in this place, if you have any sort of DVD that you worship, that is time right now to pray to them for forgiveness. Right now, I am done. This is it. No. These are my final moments. And